In the past few billion years, Earth has been pummeled by asteroids.
Crashed into other planets and frozen over several times.
Not to mention being ruled by all kinds of crazy life forms.
Some 4.5 billion years ago, our solar system began to emerge out of a dense cloud of interstellar gas and dust.
This cloud collapsed into a swirling disk of matter until hydrogen fused into helium. And just like that, our sun was born.
And baby Earth was on its way too. These clumps would be the seedlings for the planets and moons in our solar system.
Closer to the Sun, all the rocky material formed the inner planets, like Mars and Earth.
This young Earth was incredibly active, volcanically speaking.
Early Earth was constantly bombarded by large asteroids and comets.
And soon, Earth experienced an even more violent collision.
Theia, a planet the size of Mars, slammed right into our young world.
This epic collision threw chunks of matter all around Earth's orbit.
And then gravity bound them together into what we now know as the Moon.
On this hot early Earth, there were no oceans. All water existed as gas. But 3.8 billion years ago, our planet cooled enough for water to condensate and become liquid.
The very first primitive ocean covered this young Earth and turned it into a water world.
H2O is an essential ingredient for creating living things.
So with all that water, life appeared on Earth about 3.7 billion years ago.
Earth didn't stay as a water world very long. Soon, the very first continents emerged from the ancient ocean.
Scientists call them cratons. As more land rose, the very first supercontinent appeared.
Valbara wasn't exactly a supercontinent. It was pretty small.
Around 2.4 billion years ago, cyanobacteria evolved to become our planet's first photosynthesizers.
Finally, we had some oxygen producers to make Earth's atmosphere much more hospitable.
With all this new oxygen, carbon dioxide levels dropped, and that made the planet icy cold.
Now, as Earth's atmosphere was changing, the continents were moving too. They broke up and reassembled into the next supercontinent, Rodinia. And life? Well, life finally became more complex.
Rodinia broke apart, and a new supercontinent assembled. This one was called Pannotia.
Then came an explosion of new life. This time was called the Cambrian explosion. The most famous of all were the alien-looking trilobites.
Earth saw its first mass extinction event, the Ordovician-Silurian extinction.
Somewhere between 420 to 350 million years ago, the first trees arose and animals made their way to land.
250 million years ago, the planet was covered by our last supercontinent, Pangaea.
Earth witnessed the greatest mass extinction in history, the Great Dying.
But this extinction paved the way for a new wave of animals.
For the next 150 million years, they ruled the land. You'd witness Argentinosaurus, the largest land animal ever.
Or be chased by one of Earth's greatest apex predators, roaming it, T-Rex.
An asteroid slammed into our planet, blocking out the sun, and the dinosaurs died out.
Around 6 million years ago, the earliest humans appeared. "4 million years ago, early humans walked upright and made tools. Some 800,000 years ago, they learned to control fire. Eventually, only Homo sapiens remained. 10,000 years ago, humans became farmers. Then came the Industrial Revolution. Our population grew faster and faster upon mass, to over 8 billion.
Climate change may push us toward another mass extinction. But that's a story for another channel.